Wanna learn how to fix your login error on your BetterHelp app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll tell you 6 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes, weak Wi-Fi connection could also be the reason of you facing the login error. The second one is to go to your App Store or Play Store just like me and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here BetterHelp and search for this app. You can see that you have an option of open on the top right corner. Sometimes you may get an option of update instead of open, which indicates that you need to update your app. If you have one, tap on update and make your app updated. Unupdated app could also be the second reason of you facing the login error, so make sure to make your app updated. The third one is to go to the settings of your phone and reach to the point where you can clear the cache of this particular app. Different cell phones could have different ways to reach there. If you have a cell phone like mine, you can go to settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, tap on the search bar, enter here BetterHelp and search for this particular app. On the bottom you can see 3 of the options, that is force stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data on the bottom right corner, tap on clear cache, tap on OK on the bottom right. Just by doing it, you have successfully removed the cache related to this particular app, and this has helped you remove all of the unrequired filthy junks, which could be the third reason of you facing the login error. So make sure to use it. The fourth one is to force stop this app. On the bottom left corner, you can see an option of force stop. Currently on my phone it is disabled since I had just used it previously. But if you do have an option of force stop, tap on it on the bottom left corner. Just by tapping on it, an option will just pop out on your screen which will tell you that if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. But I will love to tell you one thing, that force stop in an Android phone is a very special feature to stop all of the ongoing activities inside the app and help your app start in a fresh way. So make sure to use it. The fifth one is to drag this app and reach to the point where you'll get an option of uninstall. Tap on uninstall and go to App Store or Play Store and install this app once again. That means reinstall this app. Reinstalling this app could also help you fix your login error, because since just like force stop, reinstalling your app could also remove all of the unrequired filthy junks, and reinstalling it will make the app new and fresh to use. So make sure to use it. The sixth and the final one is to restart your phone. Try restarting your phone, because not just from this particular app but an Android or iOS phone, because of other ongoing apps on the background, BetterHelp app could have faced the problem of login. So I've just told you 6 of the ways to fix your login error. Make sure to go and use all of them. I hope it works for you. If you're going to use it effectively, it definitely will. And if it has, make sure to provide like to our video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.